we want you to help our hand as we are doing reforms to bring back the Coffee Research Foundation, and we can borrow some good lessons on your research capacity in this country. Again, I have listened with a lot of keen interest the good story of extension services. Again, that is an area that we are not doing very well, and we need to focus specifically on extension services for coffee as a crop on its own. Again, we would want you to help us on organizing a similar organization like your federation. Because in Kenya we have cooperative societies, many of them, and sometimes they pull from different directions. And therefore we don't have negotiating power. We don't benefit from economies of scale. We are amazed that you have been able to bring 540,000 coffee farmers under one federation. That is a lesson that we would want to learn from you. So Your Excellency, with your permission, I'm giving an open invitation to Mr. President and your federation that we are willing and ready, if you agree, where we can have a joint program. We start having discussions so that we can learn from you and we see how you can help us to penetrate the world market so that we can sell our coffee directly. And that is where it has been very difficult. 3 or 4 companies buy coffee in Kenya and they dictate the prices. We all know the world prices, but they give us what they feel like, depending on how they are woken up, depending on the mood they are in. Our farmers take their berries to the factory and wait at home for the price. And they have no say, they have no contribution to make. They just wait and receive what they are given. Given that our coffee is of high quality, like yours, I'm sure we can work together.